If you've ever searched your iPhone keyboard for a certain symbol and think, why is this so hard? Well, the answer might be, it isn't. There's some cool keyboard features hidden right under your fingertips. Press and hold certain keys and more options pop up. Hold down the period key, you'll see an ellipsis. Hold down question mark to get one upside down. Hold down 0 for the degree symbol. If you ever send a photo over text, you know you have to hit the plus button, choose photo, then scroll through to find the photo you're looking for. What most people don't know is that if you hold that plus button, it opens up your photo library automatically. No extra screens and scrolling required. This one feels kind of like a magic trick. Your iPhone has a feature called back tap. You can assign actions to a double or triple tap on the back of your phone. So I set mine to turn on the flashlight with a double tap. Tapping the back 3 times activates Shazam to identify a song playing in the background and save it to my music library. No hunting for the app, just 3 taps. And finally, a camera trick that makes your videos look more polished.
Go ahead and start it, and then down here on the left side, you just press pause. And
a lot of creators use this trick to produce shorts, reels, and TikToks without having to edit. She captures a little video, hits pause, changes the shot,
and then I'll go and pause it.
When she's finished, rather than having to import all of those shots into an editor, it's already just one complete video.
That's crazy.
That just saves so much time,
much
doesn't
time.
it?
So much time of editing and going through all the videos to see which clip you want.
These little tricks have been on our phone for the last couple of years now. Nobody bothered to tell us about them. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.